This is a song sung by Lochan Das Thakur, almost a contemporary of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He has got many books on the life and precepts of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, he is saying that Lord Nityananda is full of good qualities. Gunamani. Gunamani means the jewel of all qualities. So, Nitai Gunamani Amar, Nitai Gunamani. He is repeatedly uttering that Lord Nityananda is the reservoir of all good qualities. Aniya premera banna bhasaila avani. And on account of his spiritual qualities, he inundated the whole world by the flood of love of God. It is by his kindness people can feel what is love of God. Premer banna loiya nitai ailo Gauradesh. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu left home and took sannyas, he made his headquarters at Jagannath Puri. So after his accepting the sannyas order, when he left his home and country, Lord Nityananda Prabhu also accompanied him up to Jagannath Puri. So after a few days, Lord Chaitanya requested him that if both of us remain here, then we'll preach in Bengal. Bengal is known as Gauradesh. So, under the order of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he brought from him the flood of love of Godhead and he distributed the whole of Bengal, Gauradesh, and in that flood of love of God, all devotees became drowned. Only those who are not devotees, they could not drown, but they were floating. Dina hina bhashe. But so far Nityananda Prabhu is concerned, he does not make any discrimination between devotees and non-devotees. Dina hina patita pamara nahi bhaj. Poor or rich or enlightened or foolish, everyone could take the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and become drowned in the ocean of love of Godhead. Such love of Godhead is Brahmara Dullabh. Even Lord Brahma, who is the supreme creature within this universe, he also cannot relish, but by the grace of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Mahaprabhu, this love of Godhead was distributed to everyone without any discrimination. So, Avadha Karuna Sindhu, it was just like a big ocean blocked all sides. Ocean of love of Godhead is a big ocean, but it was not inundated. So Nityananda Prabhu cut a canal from the ocean and he brought the canal in every door. Ghare ghare bule prem omiyarva. The flood of the nectar of the love of Godhead was thus distributed in each and every home in Bengal. Actually still, Bengal is overwhelmed when there is talk of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu. Lochan Bale, now the author is speaking on his behalf that anyone who does not take the advantage given by Lord Nityananda Prabhu So in his opinion, he thinks that such a person knowingly is committing suicide.